of 2 fantastic dual glass tumblers with silicone grip and straws. You're getting 2 of these for this awesome price of $28 and 5 easy payments of $5.60. Remember, 5 easy payments on everything at QVC right now, today, Sunday, and that will go away at the end of the day.
Yes.
So we've got 3 different colors to shop here right now.
Yeah.
This one is what we are calling the blue.
Yeah, we're calling the colors on this, I think we need to clarify a little bit. We're calling this blue. I would say this is more what? Of a teal, sort of like lighter on top. Really gorgeous. I love the color. I actually really love these colors, but the way they've been named, I think is a little bit
interesting. Yes.
Calling this red. No, this is not.
So
in
much
fact,
red. Now I said mocha mousse earlier, but now that I'm looking at it like up with my top, it's not. It's more of like a
pinkish,
but it kind of like leaning into a terracotta sort of land almost.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, we're gonna go with that.
It's hues of red.
Yeah, it's light. and then what are we calling this one?
Purple.
Purple. This makes sense.
Absolutely makes sense.
Okay, so this absolutely makes sense.
Yes.
Now, what's so great about these is that you are getting them and they are glass, and a lot of you are moving over to glass, and we understand that, and we understood the mission, we understood the assignment, and we were like, okay, we're going to bring in more glass, and so we wanted to bring it in these tumblers. These are 24-ounce tumblers, so they're 3 cups that you're getting in here. Now, here's what's great. You have a straw, you can close that, shut that, and then on this side, let me just get this for a minute. You can open, it locks back, or it doesn't lock back, but it stays back in place so it's not, you know, hitting your mouth when you're drinking.
Of course.
Or you could just drink right out of the spout. There we go. Okay? So you could do it either way you want. I prefer myself to always use the straw.
Yeah,
so
the straw's nice.
I use the straw. Now it's really nice. I'm going to show you on this empty one. When you open it, you've got that silicone grip here, that non-slip, so when you're holding it, you know, you have something to hold on to. The straw itself will come out for easy cleaning.
Oh, cool.
Right, which is really nice, and then you just reattach that back on after you take that out of the dishwasher, or hand wash these if you want, right?
A lot of people feel very passionate about drinking out of like glass bottles, and this is perfect for those of you that really do love that. I can tell you right now that the blue in those sort of hues of blue-green are very popular right now. $28, 5 easy payments of $5.60. Next to that one is the hues of red.
Yeah.
And then we also have it available in that purple, which is so nice. But I mean, literally, this is how you just have that kind of sophisticated look here with that sort of drink, right?
And I'm really trying to be better at not always picking up one of those plastic bottles that you get in the 24-pack or whatever it is, right?
Sure.
Because it's just better for us to use the glass. And here, what we have in this one, so what we did is a couple different things. I have the LocknLock bone broth in here.
Oh, lovely.
So maybe you just want to sip on your bone broth because you can put hot or cold in here.
Right.
So LocknLock is in here. Then in this one, I have a strawberry shake, so you could do that. So maybe you want to make yourself a little mango smoothie, a strawberry smoothie, whatever it might be. You could do that.
Definitely.
And then in here, we have infused strawberry waters in this. So maybe you make 2 of them so that when you're done this, you go back. Because here's the thing, we are not staying hydrated enough. Am I right? I would say most of us are not. And I'm not saying everybody. I know I'm not.
Sure. Right.
I can always get more liquid. I can always get more of that in my my diet. So I like to have one on backup, especially if I'm infusing the water.
And this is such a great size too, because I mean, we have a variety of different kinds of things that you can drink your beverages out of, but this is that really nice size. It's like not too overwhelmingly big. I mean, it's a 2-cup capacity, which is so perfect. But like you said, we all need to stay a little bit more hydrated, especially during this dry time in the season. But the #1 New Year's resolution was to drink more water.
Yes.
And what's the first question doctor asks you? How much water are you drinking? Like, this is how you can definitely get that into your diet very easy and in this really nice way, especially with the glass and the silicone, because we've seen glass bottles before, but the fact that you've got this silicone ring around it, which makes it really nice in hand.
Yeah, for non-slip, it's really nice. It's a sleek, beautiful look. And then on this one, I have hot tea. So maybe you want to take your tea with you. These will fit in your car cup holder. Right. So that's really nice. You could take this on the go. And then this one, we have hot coffee in this. So you can drink your coffee. You could also do iced coffee in this. These are borosilicate glass, so they are going to be thermal shock resistant.
Right.
Now, you're not going to put these in the oven like you would with any, you know, obviously our other glass. You're not going to do things like that or the microwave. But this is really lovely because you can put the hot beverages in here. You can put the cold in here. And I'll tell you what, I just think it's good to look at, too.
Oh, it's beautiful. And right now, the red is very popular in the show.
Okay.
Everyone's loving the red, which makes me excited because it's a very cool color.
It
like
is.
What
It's
you're
a pretty
seeing
color.
Is very, very pretty. Right next to the red, you're
terracotta,
seeing...
hues of terracotta-esque in here.
Yeah, definitely. So this is the red duo. This one here is the blue duo. And then here is your purple duo.
That's right.
$28, 5 easy payments of $5.60. 5 easy payments go away at the end of the day. It is very sleek, and I love the fact that, you know, LocknLock gave us a couple different colors with that glass.
Yeah.
A really, really nice way to just see everything, but really have this kind of like really cool look at the same time. Oh, we gotta love our roar.
If you have your roar and you want to put that in here, you can pour your roar in there. Again, you want to make sure you're getting hydrated, and what a great way to get everything you need, especially with our roar drinks that are so popular here at QVC, and for good reason.
Definitely.
And then just sip it right out of that straw. That's easy to do.
Yep.
And then in this one, I just have plain water, but I want to add some lemons and limes to this, and you can do that too very easily.
Love it, love it.
Or what do we have here? Some
little
limes.
infusions there.
Yeah, so you can just add these in.
I just drank all my water. I was
And then-
clearly very thirsty.
I know. Well, that's what all of this talking will do to us, right?
It's true.
But look, and even that looks so pretty. I have to tell you, I love it. So it's like having that beautiful glass cup at the house, but only instead of being a cup, it's a tumbler, which can go with you places. You know what I mean? That's what I love about these. They're pretty, but they get the job done. And also for hot, warm, you've got the nice grip on here. Will fit in the car cup holder nicely.
Right.
And you're getting a set of 2. So if you wanted to get a couple sets of these and you wanted to get a set in each color, if you have different family members living with you, you know, hey, you have the purple, you have what we're calling the red, but we're not going to say red.
I love the little peekaboo tea bag that we're seeing out here too.
Cute.
So
How cute
maybe
is
you
that?
want to make like a little single serving iced tea
You
for
can
yourself.
do that.
That's really cute too. Pop that in the fridge.
Absolutely.
Well, the duo is coming home for $28 or 5 easy payments of $5.60. You've got your choice of the blue, the red, or the purples. These are wonderful. Absolutely want to pick these up. I can tell you blue and red, very, very popular in the show right now. Definitely want to grab these. Brand new today. You're seeing them for the very first time here on QVC.